In the diagram below, not drawn to scale, ABCD is a rhombus. As you can see here, we have a slanted square. Okay, so rhombus, properties of rhombus, very important. We need to know that angles diagonally are equal. So over here will be 72 degrees as well. And not just that, these two angles will add up to 180. Likewise, these two angles will add up to 180. So whatever you can write down first in the diagram, just take a pencil, write it down first. Alright? Now, and we are also given that CD is a straight line. So over here, we have a straight line. So for example, these two angles will actually add up to 180 degrees. ABC angle is 72 degrees over here. DAE is this one here, 23 degrees. CDF is 18 degrees and BFD is 34 degrees. First question, find angle X. Alright, so angle X is over here on the exterior. So to find this, it's very important that we are able to find this angle AED here first. And then we can take 180 minus that angle to find X. Okay, so that's our job, to find angle AED. Now to do that, since we know that this is 72, right? We can use angles on a straight line property and find this angle ADE. (180 minus 72), 108 degrees. Okay, so over here, angle will be 108 degrees. Okay, and then from there we can find angle AED, which is gonna be 180 minus 23 minus 108 degrees. Okay, so 180, why? Because it's the sum of angles in a triangle over here. Alright. 180 minus 23 minus 108, 49 degrees. Then to find angle X, that will be equals to, this is 49, right? Angle X will just be 180 minus 49 degrees, and that will give us an answer of 131 degrees. Alright, so now there's another way to get this 131. Okay, if your angle is on the exterior and it's connected to a triangle, you can actually take 23 plus 108. Okay, 23 plus 108 to give you the exterior angle. See, 23 plus 108 is indeed 131. That's another way of doing this question. Now, for part B, what is the value of angle Y? Now, angle Y is actually part of this four-sided figure, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The sum of any four-sided figure, sum of angles in any four-sided figure is always 360 degrees, right? So in order to find angle Y, okay, what we need is, we already have 18, we already have 34. What we need is this angle over here. It's called a reflex angle. Okay, so to find the reflex angle, we can first find angle BCD first. 180 minus 72. So that will be 108 degrees over here. Okay, so and then the next thing is to find the reflex angle BCD, which will be 360 minus 108. Why 360? Because this is angles at a point. Okay, so 360 minus 108. 252 degrees. So over here, the angle is 252 degrees. And in order to find Y again, because Y is part of a four-sided figure, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we take 360 minus 34 minus 252 minus 18, we can get the angle Y. (360 minus 252 minus 18 degrees minus 34 degrees. Alright, minus 252 minus 18 minus 34, and they'll give us a final answer of 56 degrees for the value of angle Y.